What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Friday and we have another beautiful installation video for you guys today. And as you can see in my hand, we have our beautiful S-style, bigger, taller, color match hood scoop. I have Justin's car here. This is a stock hood scoop and this is our aftermarket one that we just made. As you can see, it will come color matched, and pretty much the bulge right here, the scoop area, is about 1.1 inch taller. So you give it that more aggressive look, more airflow, and you have a beautiful mesh here that'll keep out all the bugs and whatnot, you know, that goes through your intercooler. I'm gonna show you guys how to install this, and these are pretty much ready to pre-order. I'm gonna have the link below in the descriptions, and it's gonna be a very quick video guys today, just a product introduction, and we're not gonna do vlog style for you guys today. And then that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you how to put this on. From the bottom, there's a bunch of holes right here. You pretty much take off the stock one, use the provided screws, and bolt it on. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this, okay? So step one, pop your hood. Man, before I continue, okay? White, okay? Ceramic white is, you know, the color match is about 90, 95%. As you can see, the stock hood scoop to the hood is slightly off. So same with this, it's gonna have a slight tone off, but you know, with white, like I said, when you paint stuff that's not from the same factory, it's gonna be slightly off. Every other color, you're gonna go guys. All right guys, to change the scoop, you gotta take off the stock under tray that goes under the hood. So there's a couple clips. You can go ahead and get these clips out first. Go ahead and walk around and take this unit off. All right guys, once you have the hood under tray removed, there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 8mm bolts that holds onto the OEM scoop. So simply unscrew these. I'm gonna show when you pry it out, there's pins, like little push clips on 1, 2, 3, and 4 of these sides. So once that's done, you can go ahead and take out the stock one. I'm just gonna show you guys the comparison since I'm here. Level to level, as you can see, this is a lot higher, a lot more aggressive. You can tell a big difference. So for those that don't wanna buy a carbon hood like our WRX, you know, you want something a little bit more budget friendly, this is the way to go. We have this in carbon too, guys. For the new one, simply apply over like this. Make sure everything's lined up with the original holes. So once you put the screws in, make sure to leave these top out because that will be installed back with the under tray. When we get the ones in the back first and one middle, okay? Now when we get their under tray, make sure to put this back. There are 2 hooks on the bottom. That goes into the OEM hood. Lift up, and then start putting the screws through. Again, take your time, don't rush it. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and time these first. Okay, and then time the backs. And then now we'll go ahead and put everything back. Once you're done, you're gonna get some leftover screws from the OEM hood scoop. You can just put it back into your little baggie that comes with the new hood scoop. Boom, here it is guys. S-style Bulge V1 color match hood scoop. Available now for pre-order. If you're interested, click the link below. Guys, before we continue to conclude the video, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the inside of the car. But before we do, let's take a stock one, Jared. Let's show them the stock WRX, okay? The scoop. Obviously it's not the same color, guys, you know, but if you have an idea, Jared can pop in and show them what it look like on the driver POV side, okay? Just maybe pull a little bit back, yeah. So when you're driving, let's see your stock hood. Okay, now you can hop in to our S-style hood scoop. Ooh, it's a huge difference. So Jerry can show them. As you can see, you literally got another inch of the bulge showing up from the hood, so it looks super aggressive from all angles. Even from this side, it's just wow. I love it. I love it. It looks amazing. It looks super good. The final product, we have these color match available on the website for pre-order. We also have it in carbon fiber as well, so you can go either or. But I think the color match looks nice. But like our car, if you have a carbon fiber hood, grill, then maybe carbon will be for you. Again, to each on their own. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's short install video. Hope you like it. If you're interested, like I said, product in the link below. That's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and thank you very much. Catch you guys next time. Peace.